Sheet Set Manager continues to be optimized based on its original functionality. Two new tabs, Model Views and Sheet Views, have been added to the panel. In the Model Views section, you can add the file path of a folder. If the drawings contain model views, these views will be displayed in the panel. This allows you to insert model views from different drawings into the same layout. Choose the Place on Sheet option. The model view will be inserted into a layout as a reference file. Adjust the scale of the model views and place them on the layout. In this way, you can freely print out views from different drawings without modifying the original drawings. In the Sheet Views tab, you can see all the model views inserted into the layouts in the sheet list. You can renumber, rename views, and insert callout blocks into the layouts in the sheet list. In addition, the Page Setup Override printing mode has been added. Users can preset different printing styles and save them in a ZWCAD file. Open a ZWCAD file and set up different print styles in the Page Setup Manager. Then set the path of the ZWCAD file in Sheet Set Manager. So you can apply preset printing styles to layouts conveniently. Lastly, we have made enhancements to the sheet list table. Now, more data types can be shown when creating tables. Additionally, the Update function has been added. After you finish modifying, click the Update Sheet List Table option and the content in the table will be instantly updated. Interest in them? Download ZWCAD 2024 SP now to experience our latest improvements.